Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let me show you how to do this thread nail art today. So first of all, you need 3 polishes. Apply your base coat first. Let it dry completely. Make sure to choose polishes that dry slower. We're using just a normal sewing thread. Next, let's saturate the thread with the 2 colors. You can use as many colors as you want. Next, apply the base coat again. This time, do not let it dry. Put the thread on the base polish and drag it before it dries. Here goes your thread nail art. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.